PCV valve took a large, giant shit on a guy. See how there's no check valve left in there? Because it's inside the valve cover, and I got a guy coming to buy it tomorrow. That's awesome. And the valve cover is really baffled. And here's the rest of it right here. Cool. So I'll slam it back together. It just won't have a PCV valve in. So idle about 500 RPM higher and smoke because it'll be blowing by into the intake and going through the turbo. And once I get that part in the mail, you just twist it in and hook the hose up.